Pocket diapers, hands down, are the most affordable modern cloth diapers. Let me show you how to use them. Subscribe to my channel and make sure you click the little bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video every Thursday. Hey, I'm Jamie, the creator of ClothCuties.com, a site we've designed to encourage you to cloth diaper your baby from an infant through the toddler years. I've been a cloth diapering mama for the past 4 years, and I've got the tips and tricks to help you simplify your cloth diapering experience. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are starting a series of short videos where we're going to talk about the different types of cloth diapers. Our first diaper up, pocket diapers. There are so many advantages to using a pocket diaper in your cloth diapering system. The first is that these diapers are super customizable for absorbency. You see here that this diaper has a pocket, which is why it's called a pocket diaper, that you stuff liners in. And we can add many different fabrics, whatever fabric you decide you like, microfiber, micro fleece, cotton, hemp, bamboo liners inside to make this diaper as absorbent as it needs to be. I find that that's really easy to use, especially at nighttime. If you find that you have a baby who's a heavy wetter, you can stock this diaper full of absorbent materials to help you get through the night. The second pro is that this is an affordable modern cloth diaper. And when I say a modern cloth diaper, this is not your grandma's cloth diaper. There's no pins, there's no snappies to use. It really becomes an all-in-one type of diaper when you stuff it and have the layers in that you want. Meaning you only put this one piece around baby and it's ready to go, ready to use. Pocket diapers are super easy to use, especially when you're on a budget, because pocket diapers are found on the internet in a range of prices. You can go super fancy if you want, but if you need to cloth diaper on the low, this bad boy will get you through for years to come. The last pro that I have is that these diapers are super easy to launder and wash. Because of how they're constructed, you have a PUL material on the outside that makes it water absorbent, and just a thin layer of, I believe this is micro fleece, that is holding it together. These diapers rinse thoroughly, so everything can get rinsed really clean through them. You usually pull out your liners that are inside to throw them in the wash, so it's really easy to wash and dry. Now this part of the diaper does not go in the dryer. You would hang this over a dry rack, and because it's so thin, it will dry really fast. Usually these dry for me in about an hour. The inside of this diaper, the liner, can go in the dryer and is dryer safe if you choose to put it in there. Now moving on to the cons, it was really hard for me to think of a con to this diaper. I have about 15 of these pocket diapers in my cloth diapering system, but the one that I can think of is that you have to stuff them. Let me show you. You can put whatever material. This is a diaper that many people call a burp cloth. You can put it over your shoulder when your baby is belching or just getting ready to take a nap. These are called pre-folds actually, and these can be used to stuff inside your diaper. What you do is fold it. I usually fold it in half and then kind of in 2/3, hold the top of my diaper and stuff. As you can see, it does not take long to stuff these, but when you have several of them, it can become slightly a hassle. The piece of advice I have to offset that is just to stuff them when you're taking them off the dry rack. And this makes it easier when you're putting them all up. You just put them up ready to go so you can pull them, use them, and makes your cloth diapering easier. If you need a little bit more absorbency, I'm going to show you how we use a pre-fold plus a liner. Wrap this around, make them the same size, and you can easily stuff this into the diaper. Voila! Another con for pocket diapers, aside from a newborn diaper, is that they are not one size. As your baby grows, you'll have to adjust the rise. This is the rise of the diaper, the length of the diaper, to fit your baby. So when your baby is teeny tiny firstborn, usually you put it all the way up, matching the bottom rise with the top button. This can be a little time consuming. Now, if you're looking for a fitted diaper that fits precisely right now and you don't want to fuss with adjusting these diapers, you might find that this is a con. this gives you more length of time to wear this diaper over the course of your baby's time in cloth diapering. All right, so now let's do a little demo. This is our sweet little baby that we're using in our demo today. As I have already shown you, this is a pocket diaper. A pocket diaper is named because of the pocket it has that you are able to fill, stuff, customize with whatever materials you need to make this the most absorbent diaper for your baby. Now I am going to stuff it just so you can see it up close. It's really simple to stuff. Pull it all the way in and pull through the back of the diaper. Now our diaper is ready to go. If y'all have any name suggestions for our little baby, please let me know. I have nothing clever. We're gonna say our baby is a really tiny newborn. This diaper is a little bit big on her. But the way we use this diaper is we just wrap it around after it's stuffed. Button the buttons. Get a really nice snug fit. We want it to fit snugly around her thighs and also around her back, and this is how we prevent blowouts. So after we have her all nicely dressed, baby is ready to go with her fluff foot. Now, I would suggest you use pocket diapers for 2 reasons. One, if you're really wanting to customize the absorbency of your diaper, if you don't want a one-size-fits-all approach, pocket diapers are a way for you to finagle them and make them what you need them to be at baby's particular point in life. The second is if you want to start cloth diapering without a huge strain on your budget, pocket diapers are the way to go. You can get them at different price points that make it really easy, really affordable to start using this type of cloth diapering system. In the comments below, tell me, do you like pocket diapers? Is this something you would consider adding to your stash? I'm eager to hear your thoughts. If you've enjoyed watching this video, let's connect. Make sure you click that subscribe button and click the little bell, and head over to my blog at clothcuties.com where we can help you simplify your cloth diapering experience.